Welcome to Naaman's Catering's Kitchen. I'm Alec Naaman and I'm going to be your chef today. Today I'm going to do a Cajun shrimp and artichoke in a cream sauce over penne pasta. Alright? Of course, we always like to start off with a nice little bit of onions and bell peppers. Get us some good color going here. When we get that sauteed up, we're going to make a little cream sauce. I'll show you how to do that. We'll fold some artichokes into it. I hope y'all staying safe at home. So I thought I'd make you a few little recipes that's easy for you to do at home. So while my bell peppers and onions and all that sauteing, I've got my shrimp. I got butter going. We're gonna start this shrimp off right here. I've seasoned it with some Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna fold in a little garlic right here. We might put a little garlic over in this batch too. Alright. We have seasoned it with oregano and basil and thyme and some Creole seasoning, a little cayenne, crushed red pepper. Alright, it's going to come together. I'm going to show you exactly how we saute these vegetables down. We'll make a little cream sauce out of it. We'll add a little flour to make a little roux, soak up all the moisture. Alright, add a little cream at that point, make a nice cream sauce. While our shrimp will sauteing over here, it's all this takes about 10 to 15 minutes at the most to do. Sauteing my bell peppers and onions and celery while my shrimp is sauteing. I'm going to come in, I'm going to add a little bit of flour to take up all the liquid. Just like this. Alright, we'll make us a little roux. I don't want to burn my flour, so I'll turn it down just a little bit. Alright. And then watch what we'll do from here. How we'll bring it all together for you in one quick shot. Alright. Okay. We're going to take the shrimp now. We're going to work it. We're going to work this in. It's a little hot. We're going to work the shrimp into it. Alright. Yeah, we're coming together just nice, really, really nice. Alright. Now we're going to fold the artichokes in last, but we're going to come with some cream. I have added cayenne, basil, thyme, oregano, wine, all that kind of good stuff. We're coming back, we're going to add a little cream to it now. Making our cream sauce. I'm using a quart of heavy cream. It was a real big cow, heavy cow. You know, that half and half is half cow and half something else, I ain't sure. But this is a real cream. We're bringing it in, we're folding it in. It's going to thicken for me as that cream heats up. It'll tighten up really nice for me. Alright, we'll bring that to a little simmer. And as we finish up that, we're going to fold in our artichokes. Really nice. We fold in the artichokes. We'll let them pick up some of that flavor. When it's all said and done, we're going to have a Cajun shrimp and artichoke over penne pasta. How does that sound to you? I hope you enjoy this. We certainly enjoy cooking it for you. You can reach us at 473-3900. Call us up. We are doing curbside pickup. Needless to say, we'll deliver to your office. If you're having corporate lunch in your office, we'll individually box your meals. So thank you for tuning in, letting us be part of your day-to-day. This I'm going to put this on top of my penne pasta and let you see what the finished product looks like. And there is my finished product. Hey, thank you for letting me come into your home today. Of course, you're in my kitchen today, but I feel like I'm in your home. If I can come cook for you, you let me know. Thank you, everybody. Y'all stay safe and God bless.